Guys, it's raining and it will rain the whole day until tomorrow. So our plan will be cancelled. It might be cancelled, we don't know. My God. See? Thunderstorm. Good morning. It's 7 a.m. and it's Monday, July 28th. We plan to go to KRK Island because we already have a ticket. Neil Glenn bought a bus ticket last night, but I guess we will cancel it if it will be cancelled. What if hindi ma-cancel day? Maadto jud ta. 40 ba ya?
Mag-adto dito dahil tapos
Ganing.
mag-wait lang ta dito kung kano sa mag-okay.
No? Or mag-chill-chill na lang dito ta sa ano. Pero tugnaw man good ni oy. Magawas ta.
Mga ano ba? Ito mga outfit yan.
Gani. Ay, the weather ruined our
Ay,
plan.
naman may jacket?
Naman.
Mag-jacket?
Mag-jacket ra. Megan is trying to cancel the bus ticket. Gosh, weather ruined everything. Cooking our breakfast. The cook for today. Wow. The weather is a little bit better, but still raining. You can see the islands already. This morning you cannot.
Ka ng sakyanan mo, agi ka ng Uber pero nga something. Mag-istra.
Ala. Kung padalom, okay na. Kung pabalik, mataas na ni John. Wow!
Day, ano na lang, Day?
Wow. Fire drop na lang, Day, ha?
Waiters na rin. Pwede ka ka-picture, Day, while ano? Wala.
Ay, well, the video.
Picture
Oo, pwede siya. Kung panaog, okay ra. Kung pabalik, sus.
Grabe, taas
Taas kayo. Ala ka na isa yatra na.
Namo ni mong nakton bagtas.
Grabe no, kagamay isa iskinitang ko. Hala.
Oh my god.
Tanong mo ba? Pag ako ni mag-drive, sige na ako ni kalahala. We're going to Jadranovo, you guys. Here? Okay.
Ano dali na dito siya?
There siya.
Where is center?
Okay. The tourist bureau comes from tourist agency.
Yeah.
O buy or sell daw property.
Onsa inyo? Onsa inyo? Asa? Kanemblo? Ah, sige. So, cash or credit card? Cash. Ah, cash. Ah, credit card. Ikaw? Ah, sige.
Wala na yung monthly.
Wala
Wala na yung monthly, cash lang.
Ano, ayo, mangita di siya gali. Ayo, oo. Yeah.
Naka-Croatian.
Mangita mig ano? Mangita mig Croatian para kay ano.
Balik niya mo country.
Magpalita ano ka ng disposable. Barato na siguro. Tapos libutan sa bigari. Ano? Order it. We're buying foods for the beach. Yes, we're going to swim. Even it's raining. It's fun.
Ako doon na...
Ikaw ni Day kami ni Day.
Ang bago. Wala bago. May matapang sandwich lang. Sige mo baka.
Kung napabitay toast dito.
Gani, wala ta nakaunang toast ba?
Dala pa ko ano. Breakfast na lang.
Look, you guys, it's only 135 euro. Last time we bought in Pula, it's 350 euro. My gosh, I'm buying one. Kinsa ang bayad? Ikaw, Day? 2057, Day.
And then center mehr.
Yeah.
Ja, center Kirk und dann immer
Straight.
straight.
Here, yeah?
Yeah. This way.
Okay,
This way.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Yeah, thank you. Also.
Thank you. They're very nice. There's a freaking pig. Jadranovo. This is a small town near Rijeka. It's only like 26 kilometers. We're going down.
Okay, ko damo kita tahu.
Hindi magid guro.
Wala, gano'n ka na ito.
This is Croatia. Hala, kataas day.
Hala. Charang ka na ko.
I hope dili na ma-after 1 year, ha?
Taas siya day.
Before makuan.
Ma-upload. Ah, may toilet pa di ganyan. May toilet din. Taas day.
Taas man di ay siya.
Gani.
careful ha.
Careful kay slippery.
Kung pwede mag-gonit na lang. Hindi ko saka ni Day ang sakit.
Oo, inig saka aron. Ano jud inyo bagtak ha? Lighters. Gabi no may fig bayad ba yo? Gatubo ra ang fig diri.
Asa no?
Gani, mahal ba yan na?
Gakaon ka Day?
Wala.
Nakatry ko.
Murag bayabas ano? Murag bayabas.
Ay, buto-buto sa sulod.
Oo, sulod.
Doon sulami Day.
Gani. Murag wala man ka makaon.
Ano makaon man ang
Makaon siya. Liso ra man makaon.
Wala mi. Ay, for me ha. For me lang. Kasi sa katurang nga ng feed. Ambot na. Pero ganun ganun.
Nagsanag man ni siya. Uy. Wow.
Ano lagi?
Wowers.
Boat.
Boat.
Asa ang beach?
Asa man ang beach?
Ay. Asa ang beach?
Asa man ang beach? Wow. Look at that. Gani. Pay gadaya. Ara sila.
This is my friend has no girlfriend.
No girlfriend. No boyfriend.
No boyfriend?
Yes. How?
You have boyfriend? You have my friend, very good friend. How old are you? How old are you?
How old are you for today?
Guess how old I am?
35.
25, what in you?
Where are you from?
Philippines.
You don't say
Kaya ka sa ang beach daw. Ha?
Palang, you don't say
Palang.
Palang.
Palang now we don't.
That's Thailand, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're not Thailand.
You are my friend? How old are you?
18.
Bye. Ikaw iya type day.
Dili man ang manghod ang ate man.
Gani ang ate iya type.
Uy, Lidoy, tuloy si Lidoy.
Asa ang beach Day?
Asa man ang beach? Boat ride.
Kasab na ako dito.
Boat ride ni siya day.
Jet ski. I'm running out of time.
Wow.
Lidoy, clear sa boy.
Wow, rent a boat day. Di man ta kabalo mag ano ay. Wala ka daghan fish na dilis dayo. Nakata. Sorry ko ni kono day.
Sige.
Basi mahulog ko di ba? Sadya kita.
Okay, congrats. Dahil nasan? Nagdanan.
Nagdanan.
Pero dayo.
Ano do aquarium sa doon? A picture ko day.
Day.
Dalom-dalom day, dalom-dalom. Wow, thank you.
Ulit sa Germany ka, mamulan.
Sa North Port sa inyo, ito lang ano dahil may lake.
Dito tapos. Power banks ang iyang nga dating.
Bye.
Ano ka dito?
Wala, may nahulog sa ano. Ay,
Kagwapa, day, ay. Maselfie ta, day. Tasa punta. So nice.
Black na black eh. Ano ba? Na video na.
Ano ang play?
Ayun na.
Ala, dahil nasalo na ang putin.
Katapakuan dahil pa kumpiyansa.
Saud sa day. Wow, gwapa. Wala na din sa Poland.
Day. Butangan ko na to sa bigdiri day.
Ha?
Wala na na. Naglubog-lubog kasi. Kasi suti ah.
Hi guys, we really did not swim today because I got my period as well.
Yeah.
And them, I don't know why. Maybe they are cold already. And this, the Adriatic Sea is not sand at all. It's pebbles and stones. It's very hurting in the feet. We already dressed. It's very windy as well, and I guess it will rain. And the other two is right there, you see? We're here. And this is our view. It's getting windy already. Very windy. Windy siya dahil windy. Very windy already. Look at that. Your jackets. Thank you. Sige na. Thank you so much. May isa pa.
Ay, gadun pa na bitchat.
We have 28.
Wala to die.
We have 28 minutes walk going to the bus stop. Slowness, die. Sa babaw. Sure? Oh my gosh.
We didn't know. If we had known, we would have gone there earlier.
Exactly. This is the the road, the way going to the bus station. Kaya pa, girls. Four more steps. Hi. Hiking ba ni Oronsa? 10 minutes walk more.
Feeling na ako, dili na dyan siya na yun.
And it's raining.
Sila convex, hero.
Dahil naman ka na, dahil. Magdako di mo bagtak kung di kayo star, no? So wait. It's going uphill. And it's raining. Hello, oy. At you guys. We've been there. We still have uphill to go. And it's raining. For experience.
Wala lang dyan. Wala na to yan.
Ay, agi lang. Agi lang.
Wala lang dyan.
Abok ba?
Your work.
Basta. Ano? Ano?
Sobrang na dyan ito mga for the experience. Bro, di na dyan di tapuan.
Time check. What time
Normal.
8:26.
8:26. And
The
our bus
bus is late for 27 minutes.
Daso, naglakat kami 900 meters.
1.5 Juday kilometer.
And it's
Nothing.
uphill.
Nothing. Sige na.
Nothing beats a jet to holiday. And right now, we didn't save any money.
Ay, I was talking good. Okay. Good.
Okay. Tama bus naglabay, no?
Cancel na to. Pwede cancel later? Iba siya nang suuntanin niya ba niya? Wala
Why cancel?
Sunset.
Why?
Why?
Iskuci aplikacji.
Sa application. Kaya sa application ko no may ano.
Money. Minus. Aplikasya.
Aplikacja, no.
Oh. Gaano ko ba?
Kung sige na, karoon na.
Ay, dahil. Ano man na tayo?
Io sta. Okay.
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 Hindi, pala ko send sa Juanil, sa ato ang grupo, ang info dahil sa iya ha.
We end up taking an
Let's
Uber
walk fast na. Okay, di ulan.
because there's no bus and it's already late at night. And but we are here already. We paid 35 euro.
Sa babaw.
Oh, pwede. Pagpalit mo yung ano dahil.
Dali lang idaan ta ka ano ang key.
Ay, nakapitaghandal na. Hindi niya ako pasudlon. Pasudlon na lang ako. Ikaw may naman sa tungkol siya.
Muna yun?
Oo, sa boat. Yawa, boat a napkin. I'm on my period on a holiday. Yawa. Boat jud sa day. Mga basang sisira.
Ay, nice. Dahil kimurag something gold man di ay ni.
Dahil ganito na hon.
Maroon rin ako ng kuhan.
Home and we need to cook rice for dinner. We haven't eaten any rice today. No, we ate breakfast with rice. We did not eat our lunch with rice, so we will cook rice. Rice is cooking. So yeah, that's it for today's vlog, you guys. That's our day physically. If because of the weather, we had to reroute ourselves just to have, you know, something to do for today, even if it's raining and the weather is not nice and everything. And we lost money today, like yeah, like on the bus. But anyway, I'm glad that we are safe and sound home in this apartment, and we will see you guys again tomorrow. Yeah, have a good night. Bye.